Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda, and today we are getting, oh my gosh, what day is it? Is it day 5? Today is day 5 of the NYX Lippie Countdown Love Lust Disco series on my channel. If you guys are new to my channel and you don't know what the heck I am talking about, I started this series on my channel about 3 years ago when NYX started coming out with their advent calendar. This year's advent calendar is filled with all of NYX's best-selling lip products. So every single day I open up another door with you guys and do a makeup look to go along with it. Today's lip product I was so excited about. I use this product in my everyday makeup, and I think I found a new everyday makeup routine for myself while I was filming this, so I am very excited about that. So if you guys are interested in watching me post a new makeup look for 24 days of Christmas, along with Vlogmas starting on December 14th. I have my Vlogmas Day 1 up explaining kind of everything that's going on with Vlogmas, so be sure to go and check that out. If you guys are interested in getting 2 videos a day for the majority of December, be sure to go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell down below. Also be sure to follow me on my Instagram at AMANDALOUISE. I'm going to be posting all of my makeup looks along with swipe up links, a bunch of other December content, and going live a bunch during December and January, so be sure to follow me on there. And you can go ahead and join my Facebook page, Amanda's Lovely Little Fam, as well. Be sure to answer the questions, so I'm sure to accept you. And go ahead and follow me on Twitter as well. But without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this super simple golden hour makeup look. Let's go. Welcome back to day 5. So let's go ahead and get straight into the day. Today we are working with one of the This Is Everything lip oils. I absolutely love these products. I discovered them in last year's calendar, and they are still to this day one of my everyday products that I use. So I really am excited to show you guys these. This is the Sheer lip oil. These lip oils are absolutely great. They're not sticky, which I hate about lip gloss. I can't do lip gloss because you walk outside and your hair blows into your lips and it sticks to your lips and it's like the most uncomfortable thing ever. I'm obsessed with these. Like I said, not sticky. They look like a lip gloss. They keep your lips moisturized. You don't have to keep applying it, but if you want to, it's like not a big deal because it doesn't like build up and like look gross, and I love these things. For this look, because it is so natural and you can wear it every day, I want to do kind of just like a really shiny, simple, everyday look. And obviously you can like take steps out of this if you guys don't want to do certain things. Like I wear lashes every day, but I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. We're just gonna do like pretty glowy, that kind of thing. For this look, I'm actually going to try and stick to just like bronzers and highlighters just because I really want it to be just super natural. So my face makeup is already done, as you can see. If you guys want to see how I did it, be sure to go and check out my day 1 video. I do all of my face makeup in the first day's look, so then I'm not super repetitive going back and doing it every single video. Today, we're just gonna do like a really glowy, like bronzy, like yummy look. I'm gonna pull you in a little bit. And so first I'm gonna be starting off with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. And I'm gonna be taking this on my JH07 brush. And I am really just going to like load this on. I want it to be a really dewy, like sun-kissed, pretty look. I am going to be going heavy on the eyelids with this. Bring it on my Cupid's bow, kind of just where the sun hits you. And I'm also going to go in with my bronzer as well. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to go in and really darken my contour. I'm gonna go in and contour my nose a little bit with this product as well. I'm also going to be taking this on one of my eyeshadow brushes. I am going to take this on my Sigma Diffused Crease Brush, the E38. And I am just going to go ahead and apply this into my crease, kind of going up onto my brow bone. I just want like that really natural, like almost like that, like a golden hour look. That's what we're going for. How you look when you step into the sun in golden hour. You obviously could also do this with an eyeshadow palette, but I'm just trying to keep it like super, super basic, super natural, so all of the colors on your face match perfectly. You could even leave it at this if you don't want to go ahead and do any mascara or anything. Like, this is just like a really naturally pretty glowy look, kind of like a no makeup look. But if you want to go ahead and do some eyes, I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Need a new one pretty badly. It's getting pretty dry. And you know what? We're going to leave it at this. I'm not even going to put any lashes on me today. Who am I? Don't know her. So as you can see, it's just kind of like a golden, like wet looking, like dewy look. I really, really like this. I like how natural it is, but like also like how, I don't know, just like it's just so pretty. Alright, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Simple, like just pretty glowy golden hour look. I feel like this might be my go-to from now on. Like, I feel like this might be my everyday makeup look. Maybe this will stop me from wearing lashes. I don't know. We'll see. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you don't miss when I post a video. I am going to be posting at least 2 videos every single day of December, starting the 2nd week of December, but there will be one every single day up until Christmas. So, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram as well, be sure to head on over there and follow me at AMANDALOUISE. I'm going to be posting all of these makeup looks along with swipe up links so you guys can check them out as soon as I upload them, along with a bunch of other December content, all that fun stuff. So head on over there and follow me there. I'm also going to be going live, and I literally answer every single one of the questions that you ask me on live, so be sure to get on there and just chit chat with me. I'm on there for hours, so, and I always save my lives if you miss them. If you guys are not part of my Facebook page already as well, be sure to go and join Amanda's lovely little fam. Also be sure to answer the questions, so I'm sure to accept you. And you can go ahead and follow me on Twitter as well at AMANDALOUISE. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys endlessly, and until tomorrow, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye!